Alright, Tenti, Ebusia, Menudi in Commerce is here. As ye go straight to a UK Abrichi Memo. Na yene lawyer Eddie Nkomo. Mene ka say lawyer ewo ahomano eso. Enti yene lawyer Enkodi Nkomo. Lawyer woteme nka Ghana de me mao ajo evise no 9 abo. Na me ba cho apom eyeboko de
obo ade adarma kakrakra ye wo hono enne mo mpaibo
ede nyanko panse lawyer adarma yu hu adi kakra eche yen ni manyamfo ben na ye ne na hia ewo salt fm a ye ne wodi nkomo na anwumre
right me da say your friend me Elvis Adu na me lawyer.
Okay. Me ba cho say oye Ohene Kwame Frimpong a lawyer.
And quite to some extent on certain matters.
Okay.
I think on this particular matter in our friend Honorable Poko do say Ralph.
Okay.
Bekwai MP and head of chambers at Trent Legal Amansi Chambers. Has been instructed to handle some of these matters. But considering say Wafreno, I would allow you so they better discuss it. Then going forward, if anything, you can reach out to him. Okay,
thank you very much for that privilege. That's a pass so I just penny so near Ebedin Komo. Send your kind. Let's move straight to business because we need bread. Enra Asante Akyem North. But kind of Ghana man na ete asemwa esi. But the people of Asante Akyem North, the boy and pavi say ye immediate ebusiafo ankasa. Me ba chendra saying na asem no wote no na saying na wonsu nim ehon.
But that's it. Em say no cre said ye o kan edi kan me chia the good people of Asante Akyem North na me chia obia. And said ye o kan no cre say ya ante asem papa. Ne Kofar ba nyina na say honorable let me say parliament call recess let me say parliament call ahomujie na parliament call ahomujie no ono so bu no tem say okor because let me say the constituents no enyomu nyina na omowo agogo ebi mu so amanone
yeah
nti obu no ketem say okọ engage the constituents no precisely United Kingdom UK my muhano na ofri Ghana em say memenda no Saturday no Edinburgh on KLM flight, which means he was transiting through Amsterdam, precisely Schiphol airport. Now it was expected say Obabi drew Omaimuhano on Sunday anopa. Now so no ankowie pay said na enhye no esitie no. O drew Schiphol airport no. Ena mpanifo anase yebeka ne say no or transiting through the airport no you stop here no nti na sa na sem no yetie.
Okay. Lawyer Wadaroma ubenya sobo ankasa mpanimfo no e de ball no ntia omo epeke no sa.
Right. Let me say, almost stopping no. For now, no, there is not so much details on other things involved in the reason why almost stopping. But say the for now, no, to the best of my knowledge, the minimum is say American man, the U.S. government, precisely or specifically, the Northern District of Illinois, or more issue bench warrant and as a warrant of arrest.
Okay.
Yes, say omuhiano ewo omumaim hono no atwetwe enkomo. Nti na sa na for now no esitie and you know say once that kind of arrest warrant is issued so mu issues are red notice na anytime be as okokofa court bi mu ana bibisa na udru na itimi ejina ne no twetwem komo
yeah
ntina sana eno etie but as to the detailed information say bia wakoye say ana wadi dwuma say ne de em say a higher kwan ho yintimi mfa nyina mpo enye den
and yeah
so kakra metimi aka afa ho no
alright lawyer me order my emusan sakra ne abeto aso no e free say ne wo ka no omo epeke no ana say omo stopping no watene nka na watene nka ne ho te sen
honorable ne ho ye pa ne ho ye in fact ya twetwe nkomo na on say nsem bi say no sia etimi ko wie court na de bia no until say ebia wontimi embua nipa no efo prekope say de tie bia na yensem a yebekom yebehwehwemu na say bia no kreda na de ayeden ye de ato ye kan no brofo mu say for now no he is not guilty until say it is proven say kwan du kro bi o person mo de bono no oyeden odi ho fo. What is happening now is say our lawyers for Amsterdam or Netherlands one or maso asem mu a omugu so a omune no den etwetwe enkomo na eba say ebia Amsterdam mine no Netherlands mine no as to say
Salt 95.9 FM
warrant of arrest na if free US government no omobe execute ombe diso ana omundi so no ninyina ni begina said there are proceedings are normally no ekobanes a yedi nipa na yede FM IFN no extradition proceedings there is a long way to go and these are early days.
Na just say mitio kasemu amene wakasai honorable gusua ewo Holland Amsterdam
sapepepe na itie
Andra eba besi nano pay. I mean, where the speculation started coming from. Ebi can money laundering. Ebi kwa koti amount. Ebi can human trafficking. Ebi can just kwa du bebre. For the records, as we speak, kwa du BMPA.
Also, normally say ye issue a warrant of arrest. In that warrant, details of kwan du potin pa ye de body pan but what must see
me ba cho Matias pa
ye me mani hu ye de me hu ba bia say ya culture say e bia wakoku nipa na say wa ye bibi say these are enche I free the magistrate court in the state of Illinois omo ka kire Netherlands mine say ye here asumesi wo yikroma nti say obefa mo ho a munyina no na mo mfa nenye den emre nti sanity na empo no honorable challenge asem na omo ka no nti until say omde ne befa processes ni mo na a complete no untimi en conclude ana untimi nsini pise said the omo ka na sanity nti ye ma no so emfa nko me me remfisu say oye sitting MP
yeah.
And as a sitting MP, there are some diplomatic protocols. It needs to be extended to him. Into all these things, is ongoing. Into I believe, say at the appropriate time, matters will be clear and will be able directional and some echo.
Amount for a trade draw. Ewa Asante Akyem North. Ebi intimini di. Ebi diare ho pa. Why a lawyer ni mamenhwe? Can you think of a possible outcome be jinatuo bi a ebetimi apie wo sa asemwe mu?
For now no asembia mejina wo fidie so aka no ebe purely speculative, but kakra metima kan say when it comes to extradition proceedings kakra minimfa Netherlands baby or my fan not say proceedings we need to me it take about a month or so and sana or my day or my can a home semu every it is or moka home semu not a sefata say I was say you didn't qua or my chrono muhiana nom didn't go so moka so na e na say and same fantasy didn't be qua so we say we didn't found with the bedding
abemano
for now no is indecisive because baby or mine woman or mona is so to me say ombeka ampa yadin beko and I am fanenko. And in making that decision, there is also an element of a diplomacy because sitting MP. This is a very sensitive matter. Mestre say a constituency. And my gun and ebenya ho abutre na emrepemuno yigina baby abakoto.
Talking of say the constituents ebenya ho abutre na enkakra yenhwe baby a asemi ne puma sibre ebetimi edru me pese me buso wadaroma. People are alarmed. Amanfo very worried. Abojo sembi any words of motivation, inspiration be for the teeming number of constituents same way abom nyenye na obia hu ne ye ne hono
kakra me kan ye say obia enka nakuma enye dey entu ne ye because allegations na ya raise and normally say ye can asem eto so say na ye bo kwan do a emrem no ye do kokogina court no akwakoyiwa no until say obakoyi na no court na afi no court no ebua say wasem na wo kan ye nyintu di for no there for now no obi antimi ebu one for the message say ne constituents ene oh my god nyina benya abotre na proceedings no etimi complete at the end of the day because untimi man so prekope emfanenko ye wo a normal also the fem especially say medical aboso say or challenging the very reason why I was say ye the kono, which means asema about kopie court. Now kopie court, so it takes time for it to be decided.
It's early days yet though, but a mouthpiece of adia na your listeners, no constituents no ewo eka. And I want so state say there's a little bit of diplomacy associated with this issue because sitting member of parliament. Issue we does it have any implications? Ni seat and any position no so as we speak.
Say Ohene for some competition no say parliament emra any no didi omujumadi and these are early days and I don't want to preempt anything but at the appropriate time no if they could drum pempen so be I was a parliament also make certain decisions I believe say a drew no yebenya ho entie. For now no I can't comment on those matters no.
Okay, that's
drew some pempen so no yen drew some pempen so
na wabra ehwehwemu line of questioning ni ade ekosui akwanya betimi aba ama yamano aba o man Ghana mu ana se gise bibia wie
just BBA because I share impo share lawyers or marginal Hamano Netherlands normally in extradition proceedings it's difficult to be granted bail, especially say unye obi a woti krum honma it's difficult until for now no just proceedings complete because as medical boss no Netherlands minor to me same pombeka say of course oma ensa kan warrant of arrest no but omo shame no any ade no omo they don't want to send him. They can decide that they have to make that call, so it's up to them. And in making that call no as I indicated, there is an element of diplomacy. So because of sitting MP, certain protocols needs to be observed. It's ongoing.
Okay.
For now.
Now, Kase, there is a certain lawyer signing it to this particular issue. Subsequently, we can fall on him for any other deliberations and commodity. But you're a lawyer, Benya.
So we hear more information on it. With me, Honorable Ralph Poku Edusei.
Okay.
MP for Bekwai constituency.
Okay.
And I also head of chambers. Amansi chambers and now Trent legal.
Okay.
So, yina asutria na hon komobiano or no beto aso atwetwe. ono na owo instructions e wo Ghana say obe kan ensamafa de ekoso.
Lawyer Elvis Edu Ameyao, thank you so much for your time. And komotwetwe me gidi say the constituents of Asante Akyem North yenyamu emfaso pa yeda say o busy schedule nyina achi wanya akwanya na woni edi nkomo na say onya akwanya ne ohene esa edi nkomo aka che ne say the whole of Asante Akyem North ye tai na chi na yempa bonso eka ne ho pa
others member na so ati at the appropriate time timisme da wase.
Okay, I didn't tell for lawyer Elvis Edu Ameyao. Any I don't know a question and come off from UK. Syria wa wati. Bibia obia aka so far bia wo boa. Kwa du bia mai. Na even Ohene Kwame Frimpong challenge dientia. Ya peke no and I say you stop no ewo airport, which means ebeko court. Send your lawyer eka no ebia in the next 1 month the ohene ntimi magana de nanso so enkyere se ohene da fiase send your nkrofo kano no enti sada enti de obi eka bia sinhu na we de sesa we ya ne se ye nyina. Let's keep our fingers crossed. United prayers work. For once, and